Hi everyone. PEMDAS is saying that 4 divided by 5 goes first. So what is 4 divided by 5? I don't know. So I'm going to write it in a fraction form to make the math fun and easy. 4 over 5. And let's bring that 4 minus down, but let's bring that 4 down in a fraction form to make the math fun and easy. 4 over 1 equals 4 does not change to 4 minus 4 over 5. Notice that we are subtracting two fractions, but the denominators are different. So we're going to use the butterfly method, and we'll draw two wings, two antennas, and a body. So here's the first wing, and we're multiplying inside the wing. So not subtracting, multiplying. So what is 4 times 5? 20. Here's the antenna. Here's the second wing. 1 times 4. Again, we're not subtracting, we're multiplying. Here's the other antenna. And I forgot to write 20 there. So 4 times 5 is 20. Next, 1 times 4 is 4. And then lastly, the body. 1 times 5 is 5. So the denominator is 5. And then the numerator is 20 minus 4, which is 16. Good job. And this cannot be broken down further. 16 over 5. Next, I'm going to erase this for space. And I'll bring down the 6 divided by 2 down, but in a fraction form. So let's write that here. So we have 6 divided by 2 in a fraction form. And we know 6 divided by 2 is 3. But let's write it in a fraction form. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. So we'll write 3 over 1. And then we'll multiply this to this 16 over 5. 16 over 5. And now we're going to multiply across. So what is 3 times 16? Well, 16 times 3. 6 times 3 is what? 6, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And then 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1, 4. So we got 48 over 1 times 5 is 5. So I'll write 5 here. And don't leave yet because we need to figure out the decimal answer to this math problem. We got an improper fraction answer, but we need to figure out the decimal answer and the mixed number answer to this math problem. And if you already subscribed to this channel, thank you so much for subscribing. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel to support. And let's continue finding the decimal answer and the mixed number answer using long division. So I'll write 48 over 5 on this side of the board. Our mixed number will go here and our decimal answer will go there. And here's the long division. So the 48 goes inside, that is the dividend, and the 5, the divisor, goes outside. And so how many times can 5 fit into 48? Well, I know that 5 times 10 is 50, so that goes over 48. So we'll have to use 5 times 9, which is 45. That's below 48. That's the closest we'll get to 48. So we'll write 9 up here, and then we multiply. 9 times 5 is 45, and then we subtract. 48 minus 45 is 3. So our mixed number answer is the whole number, 9, the remainder 3 above the fraction bar, and the 5 goes below the fraction bar. Let's continue the long division so we can get our decimal answer. So it's going to be 9 point something. Okay, so how many times can 5 fit into 3? You cannot. So the 3 needs to borrow a 0. So I add a decimal after the 48, a decimal after the 9, write a 0 there, bring down the 0, give it to the 3. Now the 3 becomes 30. How many times can 5 fit into 30? 6 times. 6 times 5 is 30. And 30 minus 30 is 0. So your answer is 9.6. And there you go. Again, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel to support. And if you subscribe already, thank you so much again for watching this video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.